Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start very interesting and very glorious chapter which will be on the construction. Construction is the most important topic in the world of mathematics and in the world of science. Construction used a lot of field in our modern and accelerated world. Engineers are to be trained in the construction of various purpose so that construction plays an important role in the modern age. So today we shall start the chapter of construction. Okay. Here we start construction from basic and will go to moderate to advanced. So let us see how we start construction. First of all, I would like to introduce some tools which are important for construction. Or in the other hand, we can say that without these tools, we cannot construct any figure or any geometrical shape. So here we have some tools. The first is ruler, second compass, third divider, fourth protector, and the last is set square. Okay, so we shall use these some tools for our construction. What is the ruler? Ruler is a shape of cantilever or plastic or metal things. You can see as I have a ruler like this. This is called ruler, and in this tool you can see that there are various points are marked that are the standard measurement in the centimeter as well as inch. So this tools used to draw a straight line segment. This tool is used to draw a straight line segment as well as it also used for the measurement of a given line segment. We can use this tool to measure to draw straight line. So this is a very important tool for the construction. Okay. The second one is called compass. Compass is also very useful tool in the point of view of construction. Compass is used to draw circle, is used to draw for making an arc and it is okay. So compass is also a very important tool, and here as you can see in my hand I have this is called compass. Okay, and we use this compass to draw the circle or to draw a arc in order to do a small construction as question given. So this is a compass, and this is a very important tool in the construction. Okay. The next is the divider. Divider is also look like compass, but there is a slightly difference is that in this compass you can see that its one end has a metal needle and the other end has a hole for trap of chalk or pencil. But in the divider, the both head have their own needle, and such type of tools that is the divider is used to measure the length of 2 points. Okay, the divider used to measure the length of line segment also is used to measure the distance between 2 points. The next is the protector. Protector is the most important tool in construction. It used to measure the angle of a given figure. Okay, the protector is looks like semi-circle and it measure angle. So here you can see that this is a protector, and this protector is used to measure the angles. In the protector you can see that these are the point marks which represents angle. We set this protector along the base of the given figure and then we measure the angle from its origin. Okay, so therefore it is also important for the construction. Using protector, we can measure the angle in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and there are also some like set square. Set square is also a metallic or plastic tools which looks like a triangle like this, and the other is looks like this. Okay, so there are two types of set square we have, but right now I have not any set square to show you. But the set square looks like this. You can say that two triangle in which this is the isosceles and this is the scalene type triangle, and these are used to also draw angles. Protector is also used to draw angle as well as to measure the magnitude of angle. So these are some introduction about the construction, and we use some tools to draw the figure as well as to measure the angle. Okay, so I hope that you get everything that I told you. So now let us say some more about construction. The next, we start our topic. The first is construction of a line segment. Construction of a line segment. There are some important points to be remembered, that how we construct a line segment. The first thing is to be noted that during construction of horizontal line segment, horizontal line segment, we should move from left to right, from left to right. Okay, this is the very important point to be noted, that when we draw a horizontal line segment, we should start from left and move to right. Okay, just suppose that I have to draw a line segment, then it is necessary to draw the line starting from left and move to right. Okay, so we start from left to right and draw the line segment. Sometimes it happens that we draw the line segment from right to left, but this is the wrong way to draw the line segment. Whenever we draw a horizontal line segment, we must draw it from left to right always. Okay. The second point is that during the construction of vertical line segment, during construction of of vertical line segment, we should move from above to bottom, above to bottom. Okay, this is the second rule. If we have to draw a vertical line, then it is necessary that we must start from above and into bottom. Okay, so we have to draw, suppose that we have to draw a vertical line segment, then we must start it from above, from top to bottom, not from bottom to top. Okay, sorry, top. We have to start it draw from top to bottom. Sometimes we see that many people start to draw bottom to top, which is also the wrong way. We have to draw the vertical line always from top to bottom. This is the right way to construct a line segment. Okay, so these are few rules, few precautions during the construction of the line segment, how we start. So during the construction of horizontal line segment, we must move from left to right. During the construction of vertical line segment, we have to start from top to bottom. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let us see what are the ways through which we can draw the line segment. The first, using ruler. Okay, the first is using ruler. We can draw the line segment using ruler. So how we draw a line segment using a ruler? Just suppose that if 2 points are given A and B, if 2 points are given A and B, then we have to draw a line segment. So we have to place the ruler like this. We have to place the 0 point at the point A, and we have to set along these points like this. Okay. Here you can see that I put the ruler, the point 0 at the point A, and set it along these points. And now just draw the line. Okay, and if the question asks that find the length of the line segment, then we count it from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hence we can say that the length of this line segment is 6 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we can draw a line segment using the ruler. The second thing is that using divider. Since right now I have no divider, that is why I will show you it in my next video. I hope that you get everything clear. If you have any doubt, then please comment. I'll clear in the next video. Till then, goodbye.